people and leave everything in the car and just go get in line, get a wristband, and that way we can go straight up to the Master Blaster. If you're into tube rides, which is the Comal River water, then there's a definite sequence to tube rides. And one thing you can do is start at Hillside and then go to Whitewater. And after Whitewater, Cliffhanger starts. And then after that, you could go on the Congo River and walk back up and do Raging River. So that's typically what we do. Oh, it's definitely worth it. Your kids will love it. You will love it. It's a lot less stressful to have a season pass than to try to cram everything into one day. And then we also love it to be able to come with friends. So if their friends are season pass holders, we are able to come together and survive the Texas heat relatively